Looking to create a stylish living room using IKEA pieces? In this video, I'm sharing several beautifully designed living room ideas that combine comfort, elegance, and smart layouts. From modern traditional spaces to earthy eclectic interiors and cozy vintage-inspired corners, each design uses IKEA furniture in a creative and elevated way. Let's explore these stunning IKEA living room setups. This living room is designed as an intimate sanctuary, using dark tones and refined materials to create a luxurious atmosphere. The seating area features two KIVIK sofas in dark green Tallmyra fabric, arranged in an L shape. Their clean modern design is softened by cushions with classic floral patterns. The entire setup rests on the GADBJERG low-pile rug, with vintage red-pink tones that add texture and a warm touch of color to the dark wooden floor. In the background, two LOMMARP glass cabinets in deep blue-green frame a central alcove. Their traditional style, with detailed finishes and glass doors, allows for the display of ceramics and books, adding vertical structure and character to the room. For lighting, the ÅRSTID table lamp with its brass base and pleated white shade provides a soft and classic glow. On the coffee table, the small hangselg pot in pale pink subtly brightens the composition, while the sand beige curtains help lighten the otherwise dark palette. This space perfectly illustrates a moody sophistication style. It shows how very dark colors can be used without sacrificing comfort. The tone-on-tone approach plays a key role. Dark walls in black or anthracite combined with forest green and blue-green furniture create impressive depth. This enveloping effect allows the furniture to blend into the background rather than stand out sharply, giving the room a high-end feel. This living room is designed as a true cocoon of comfort. The layout is organized symmetrically around a classic fireplace, which becomes the focal point of the space and immediately enhances the cozy atmosphere. The main area forms an inviting reading corner, composed of a duo of STRANDMON Wing Chairs. One features a Ribersborg cover in dark gray and beige with vintage floral patterns, while the other uses a nag and beige cover for a cleaner look. Between them, the large ESSEBODA Pouf in light beige acts as both an informal coffee table and a generous footrest, reinforcing the cozy feeling. On the floor, the off-white STOENSE Rug provides a soft and luminous base. It subtly contrasts with the warmer tones of the fireplace. To the side, the black KRAGSTA nesting tables add a graphic touch while remaining practical for placing a book, a cup, or decorative items. For lighting, the Stockholm 2025 pendant in glass and brass brings elegance inspired by traditional chandeliers. The ÅRSTID floor lamp, with its brass base and pleated shade, diffuses a soft golden light, perfect for a cozy evening by the fire. This living room reflects a vintage heritage style. It shows how an interior can move away from Scandinavian minimalism to embrace a more classic and warm atmosphere. The charm of this arrangement lies in the art of mix and match. Using two identical armchairs with different fabrics avoids a rigid look and creates the impression of a space decorated over time. The warm, neutral palette, composed of beige, cream, and brass accents, creates a particularly soothing atmosphere. The subtly patterned wallpaper in the background reinforces this sense of understated luxury. Finally, classic details such as decorative plates above the fireplace and golden candle holders echo traditional design codes. This living room is a perfect example of balance and clarity. The space is arranged symmetrically around a large bay window that floods the room with natural light, instantly creating a calming atmosphere. At the center, two beige upland sofas face each other, forming an intimate and inviting conversation area. They sit on the large LOHALS Jute Rug, whose natural texture and warm tones visually anchor the entire arrangement. Between them, the Stockholm coffee table in walnut veneer adds a touch of retro elegance with its organic lines. It is complemented by coordinated side tables that help structure the space while energizing the corners of the seating area. Overhead, the SANDKORN/HAVSDJUP hand-woven rattan pendant light brings warmth to the room. It echoes the natural fibers of the rug and reinforces the harmony of materials. The embroidered MURSENAP cushions and the dark blue DYTÅG cushions add texture and subtle color to the neutral seating. Finally, the striped STRANDMON Pouf introduces a soft classic accent at the back of the room. This living room perfectly illustrates the modern traditional style in a lighter, more spring-inspired version. This living room relies on an earthy color palette and a layout designed for comfort and relaxation. The atmosphere is warm and enveloping while remaining very modern. The modular JÄTTEBO sofa in dark yellow green serves as the centerpiece of the room. With its low and generous seating, it instantly creates a contemporary feel. It is paired with the MORABO Armchair in golden brown leather, whose wooden legs and tufted detailing add a more classic and timeless elegance. At the center, the Stockholm 2025 coffee table in dark brown oak veneer reinforces the organic look of the space. In the background, the LOMMARP glass cabinet in deep blue-green structures the room vertically and adds a sophisticated touch, perfect for displaying decorative objects. For lighting, the SIMRISHAMN Floor Lamp with its three frosted glass globes introduces a retro chic note. The Stockholm 2025 pendant in white textile diffuses a soft and even light. The light gray GADBJERG rug subtly defines the area and highlights the herringbone parquet flooring. This living room embraces a modern eclectic style with natural tones. The mix of forest green, rust brown leather, and gray-green walls creates an enveloping and almost luxurious atmosphere. This palette evokes nature while remaining very urban. The interplay of textures also enhances the character of the room.